Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video live binary options trading session using Quotex platform. In today's video I will make a live trading session on Quotex platform. If you want to see the result and what's all about, stay here until the end of this video. And of course, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hello everyone, I hope everybody's fine today in this beautiful Friday evening. And in today's video I will trade using Quotex platform, binary options Quotex platform. It is a platform that I'm using it for a few months, since February, and I gained very nice results with it. You can see here my last withdrawal. I'll put a video here with $10,000 withdrawal, and now as you can see my live account is 6,257.50 dollars, which I made this using several strategies, several trading binary options trading strategies, and the one that I will show you today, I explain with you in a nutshell how this can be set. First thing first, why I like this Quotex platform, it's because it's coming with on page signals, let's say like this. And as you can see here, we have trading signals. We have a Litecoin here, which is a sell signal. This arrow here, red arrow down, it's telling us that on Litecoin for 15 minutes we will have a downtrend. Let's have a look here on Litecoin, but I will not trade Litecoin. And if you are asking why, it's because the return on investment, and you see here 27% on Litecoin. This is the return on investment. That means if our trade it will be in the money, I will get back only 27% of my investment. So if I will trade with $100, I will get back only $27, which is not good for my investment. That's why always, this is a tip for you, that always try to find assets that return on investment is higher, like this one, Euro USD, it's 82%. On US dollar, Canadian dollar, we have 76%, and so on. So I will delete this one. Let's have a look here on Euro Japanese yen. We have 49% return on investment. Again, this is not good, I don't like it. It was a very good signal here, because from here it will bounce back and it will go up, but I don't want to receive only 46% from my investment. Alright, and I will tell you a little bit what the strategy that I'm using it, how to set it. Let's close these signals, and I will show you. You have to go here on first thing first, you need to set this chart on 50 or 15 or 30 seconds. I'll put it on 30 seconds, and you have to go here. This should be on candles. The chart should be on candles, and you have to go here on indicators, and you should choose moving average, and you should set the first moving average. It will be a WMA average with period of 7, and you can tick it with yellow. The second moving average should be on period 18 with red, and the third one, the third moving average should be 25 with red also. Another thing that you have to set is the oscillator, the awesome oscillator with 104 and 35. These are the coordinates for this moving ASOM oscillator, and this is all you have to set. So 30 seconds, 13 or 15 seconds here. Moving average is yellow one WMA with a period of 7. The first red one, it's an EMA, exponential moving average with a period of 18, and the third one, moving average period of 25, again EMA, exponential moving averages. All right, and it will look like this, like here. All right, so we have these yellow moving averages and those red too, and as you can see here, we will look this kind of signal like it's showing here. You see, when the red line, the yellow moving average will cross those two the other two red moving averages, like you see here on a downtrend, when it crosses the two moving averages, two red moving averages, then it will be a down trade. When it crosses, like you see here, on an uptrend, then you will put an up trade, and so on. And you have to look also here on the ASOM oscillator, and you should wait for the 2 or 3rd candle to confirm that the trend, it is a downtrend. You see, as you can see here, after the yellow line crosses the two red lines, here you'll see that the ASOM oscillator, it's going down also. And at the 3rd candle, this will be the second confirmation that you should place a down trade. All right, now let's go ahead and let's find some trades for today, what we will trade. And also you can use the signals. These are very good signals. We will close this one, which we have a small return on investment. And let's see Euro USD. This was an uptrend here, and we can place a down trade here. All right, let's see GBP, and also you should trade the time frame. It will be 3 minutes. Yes, you will trade with 3 minutes. Let's see GBP USD or GBP AUD. As you can see, we have 88% return on investment. Here it was a nice signal for a down trade. And let's have a look here. Here it is an up trade. It is an uptrend. As you can see here, we have the confirmation. We have the yellow line crossing the other two moving averages, those two red lines, and we should wait. As you can see, we have the confirmation on moving on ASOM oscillator. Let's wait for another candle here on ASOM oscillator, a positive candle, and then we should place an up trade. And now is the time up. All right, so we have here another trade on GBP AUD, and we have 88 return on investment, which is very nice. You can place also my gun machine trade. I explained to you that you can place one after another trade, which is a little bit risky, but this is the way how I am trading. You can do so, but you have to be confident, and you have to you need to have into your account, you have to have a larger account. Another thing that I want to explain you is that there are 3 types of account, as you can see here in my live account. What that means, that I am a VIP account, and what that means I have more than $5,000 into my account. They have 3 types of accounts levels: standard, pro, and VIP. On standard, it's from $0 to $1,000. A pro account means that you have between $1,000 to $5,000, and you will have 2% increased percentage of profitability for all instruments. And VIP means that if you have more than $5,000 into your account, you will have a 4% increased percentage of profitability for all instruments. So now I have on all instruments I have 4% more than you have if you are. And all right, the euro USD, it was in the money. You heard the noise, and this is a very nice thing that they've done lately with on the platform. They've put these sounds when a trade is closed. All right, let's see if we can find another signal. Let's check GBP Canadian dollar. No, yes, this is an uptrend here. You see here, this is the confirmation and the second confirmation here, but we have these red candles here. That means it was going down, and now as you can see it's going up again. Let's wait and let's see euro USD. No, GBP AUD. Let's have a look here on GBP AUD. Yes, this one, it will be in the money for sure. We have 6 seconds, and this one, it will be closed. That's the way you trade. Yes, it's in the money. $188 return on investment, and that's the way you trade using this moving average 3-minute strategy. It's very simple to use. I'll put a link for Quotex below this video in the description area if you want to use Quotex platform, but you can apply this strategy on whatever platform, binary options platform you are using. So tomorrow it's weekend. We are not trading on weekends normally, but using Quotex platform you can trade in weekends also. The platform is coming with a demo account, so you can start trading using a demo, using virtual money, and you feel confident you can jump in with real money market. So that was the video for today. If you have question, put a question below this video in the comments area, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like the video, give me a like and have a nice day. Bye.